Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy in Fidelity, only way. Start by opening a Fidelity account and linking your bank for transfers. Next, search the ticker symbol and choose a market or limit order. Enter the quantity you want to buy and confirm fees, then submit the trade and monitor your account confirmations and Form 1099 for tax details after trades settle. Buying in Fidelity is simple once you know order types and timing. Use a market order for immediate fills or a limit order to control price. Stop orders help manage downside by triggering sales at your stop price. Double-check shares, order type, and estimated total including commissions and fees before clicking Submit, and remember settlement times vary by asset class, so plan accordingly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more helpful videos. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker you saw earlier, which pairs nicely for listening to market podcasts or calm background music while you trade. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When buying in Fidelity, funding choices and tax records matter. ACH transfers are free but may take a few days, while wires are faster but can cost money. Save confirmations and review Form 1099 for taxable events so you can report gains or losses accurately. Be mindful of settlement times, which affect how soon you can reuse proceeds after a sale.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.